Have you ever skipped an invasive question on a survey, skipped phone calls from pollsters, wondered why the government needed your information in the first place? You're not alone. And for a lot of people, that hesitation isn't about apathy, it's about safety. For people of color who have been historically over-surveilled and underserved, mistrust around data isn't irrational. In some communities, data collected and stored by the government on who is where has led to real instances of harm. These stories are all around us, including right here in Maine. In the early 1900s, the state forcibly removed residents from Malaga Island, a small, mixed-race fishing community. Some were even institutionalized based on eugenics-era labels like feeble-minded. What happened on Malaga was backed by years of data, drawn from observation, and cataloging who was where, and it destroyed lives. Wabanaki families were also targeted by eugenics-based policy. Through contact with state services, Wabanaki children were taken from their homes and placed in boarding schools or with white foster families, often far from their tribal communities. These policies were called child welfare, but in practice, they were acts of cultural genocide. These stories are not ancient history. Their echoes live on in how people experience institutions today. When communities have seen their information used to criminalize, surveil, or separate them, it makes sense they'd be cautious about filling out a form. Even now, questions about data and trust surface close to home. Maine's Information and Analysis Center, an agency that collects and shares information with federal agencies, has sparked debate about privacy and accountability. It's a reminder that even when the intent is public safety, the concentration of data in powerful hands always comes with risk. And mistrust doesn't exist only in communities of color. In rural Maine, where many people have felt ignored or misrepresented by state and federal programs, there's a different kind of skepticism, but it's related, and it's born from being left out. When government data says your town's population is too small to matter, or miscounts your needs because the sample size is too low, it's hard to believe the system sees you at all. Whether it's the fear of being over-surveilled or the frustration of being overlooked, both experiences share the same root. People feeling that their data is used on them, not for them. Data can be a bridge to better outcomes, but only if it's used for good, and only for good. We need systems that listen before they measure. We need policies that protect people. And we need new ways of thinking about data that elevate human dignity, not diminish it. Because trust isn't given automatically, it's built. And when it comes to data, there's no justice without it.